Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make dorm public in Rec Room. Open your dorm, then access the dorm menu and select Privacy or Access settings. Change the access setting to public, confirm the change, and optionally enable any welcome messages. If you want specific players only, use invite options after making it public. Test entry with a friend to ensure the setting works and adjust any room rules as needed. Next, we walk through the menus to avoid confusion. Point at the dorm, open the menu, and move to the Privacy tab. There you will see access options such as Private, Friends Only, or Public. Choose Public and save. If prompts appear, confirm to apply the change. Remember to check any submenus for welcome messages or interaction permissions to control how visitors can engage with your dorm. Quick recommendation and a friendly tip. If you game or craft in shared spaces, leak-proof containers make meal prep and snacks worry-free. They keep sauces and salads secure, so you can eat between sessions without spills on controllers or gear. If you're finding this video useful, please subscribe and like to support more tips and guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's focus on controlling visitors in a public dorm. Use invites and block lists to prevent problem players from entering while keeping the dorm open to others. Set clear behavior rules or an automated welcome message to guide guests. Check access logs or friend feedback periodically and adjust permissions as needed. These small steps help keep your dorm public, but friendly and manageable for everyone who drops by.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.